जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स। तिरुपति IAS PSC क्लासेस भोपाल में आपका स्वागत है। हम जियोग्राफी की एक न्यू सीरीज चालू कर रहे हैं, जिसके माध्यम से आपको बिगिनर्स और ग्रामीण क्षेत्र के तथा इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स को जियोग्राफी को पढ़ने में आसान मदद मिलने वाली है। ये सीरीज इंग्लिश माध्यम में अवेलेबल है और इसमें जो भी हम डेटा बता रहे हैं उसमें हम 100% की गारंटी तो नहीं लेते, लेकिन और ना ही कुछ टेक्निकल या चित्रों के माध्यम से जानकारी दे रहे हैं, किंतु जो भी जानकारी दी गई है वो UPSC में जियोग्राफी एग्ज़ाम के लिए काफ़ी लाभदायक सिद्ध होने वाली है। चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। दिस इज़ द वीडियो सीरीज ऑन जियोग्राफी। If you have any doubt, you can call on this number 8839329128. This is study guide for geography, understanding prelims and main syllabus, topic-wise breakup of syllabus, sample questions from previous year book list. Geography has 4 parts: physical geography, social geography, economic geography, and location-based geography. Physical geography is most important, social geography is not so important, economic geography is very important, especially Indian economic geography. Location based questions from India and world, very important section. And in physical geography we have to learn geomorphology, it is very important, climatology extremely important, and oceanography is not so important. Biogeography is important, and environmental geography is very important in environment section. In prelim syllabus, Indian and world geography, physical, social, economic geography of India and world. We have continued to mains syllabus. Salient features of world's physical geography: distribution of key natural resources across the world, including South Asia and the Indian subcontinent. Factors responsible for the location of primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors industries in various parts of the world, including India. Important geographical phenomena such as earthquakes, tsunami, volcanic activities, cyclones, etc. Geographical features and their locations change in critical geographical features, including water bodies and ice caps, and in flora and fauna, and the effects of such changes. Physical geography, salient features of world's physical geography, economic geography, distribution of key natural resources across the world, including South Asia and the Indian subcontinent. Factors responsible for the location of primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors, industries in various parts of the world, including India. In physical geography, important geographical phenomena such as earthquake, tsunami, volcanic activities, cyclone, etc. A combination of physical geography and climatology. It's called climate change. First is geographical features and their location, and second one is changes in critical geographical features, including water bodies and ice caps, and in flora and fauna, and the effects of such changes. Topic-wise breakup of syllabus. In physical geography and particularly in geomorphology, we have to learn about Earth's interior, tectonics, continental drift theory, and seafloor spreading, plyomagnetism. Next one is plate tectonics, mountain building, orogeny, and physical phenomena like earthquakes, volcanoes, etc. Rocks, weathering and erosions, erosional, depositional landforms, fluvial landforms, glacial landforms, marine and arid landforms, karst landforms. In climatology, we have to learn about the atmosphere, temperature distribution, pressure system and wind system, jet stream, air masses, fronts, frontal cyclones or temperate cyclones, humidity and precipitation, and geographical phenomena, cyclones, tropical and temperate cyclones, climatic regions of the world. These are the major subjects of climatology. And oceanography. In oceanography, we have to learn about ocean relief, temperature distribution, salinity, ocean currents, tides, coral bleaching, sea level change, marine pollution, law related, United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, etc. In biogeography and environmental geography, soil profile, soil degradation and conservation. Next one is biotic regions, topic closely related to climatic regions of the world. deforestation and conservation of forest, changes in critical geographical features, flora and fauna, and the effects of such changes. Environmental pollution coincides with the conservation environmental pollution topic of GS3 of UPSC mains syllabus. In Physical Geography of India, topic 1 to 9, introducing Introduction to Environment from India, a comprehensive geography by Khullar's Geography. Don't read from page to page, read only necessary headings. In economic geography, we have to learn about resource distribution, marine resources, and resources are basically marine resources, water resources, agriculture resources, land resources, mineral and non-mineral resources, etc. Factors responsible for the location of primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors, industries in various parts of the world, including India. You have to cover these from Mronal.org articles or Tirupati ISPSC classes Bhopal's applications articles. For India, economic geography from Khullar's Geography and example water resources, land utilization, green resolution, mineral and energy resources, etc. Topic of GS3 like cropping pattern, irrigation topics can be studied from Khullar. And some questions are there from previous year question papers. First one is from astronomy. What is the difference between asteroids and comets? Asteroids are small rocky planetoids while comets are formed to frozen gases held together by rocky and metallic materials. Second statement is asteroids are found mostly between the orbits of Jupiter and Mars while comets are found mostly between the Venus and Mercury. Comets have a perceptible glowing tail while asteroids do not. This question is asked in 2011. Which of the statement given above is are correct? 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 3 only, 1 to 3. Give your answer in comment section. Physical geomorphology. Which of the following phenomena might have influenced the evolution of organism? First one is continental drift and second one is glacial drift, glacial cycle. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A is first, option B is second, option C is first and second, option D is neither 1 and 2. In physical climatology, normally the temperature decreases with the increase in height from the earth's surface because the atmosphere can be heated upwards only from the earth's surface. There is no more moisture in the upper atmosphere. The air is less dense in the upper atmosphere. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A is 1, option B is second and third, option C is 1 and 3 only, and option D is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next one is physical climatology. Which one of the following is the characteristics climate of tropical savanna region? This question is asked in 2021. First is rainfall throughout the year, rainfall in winter only, an extremely short dry season, a defined dry and wet season. Physical oceanography. Which one of the following factors is responsible for the changes in regular direction of the ocean currents in the Indian Ocean? This question was asked in 1997. Option A is Indian Ocean is half an ocean. Indian Ocean has monsoon drift. Option C, Indian Ocean is a locked ocean. Option D, Indian Ocean has greater variation in salinity. Physical biogeography. With reference to soil conservation, consider the following practices. This question was asked in 2010. First is crop rotation, second is sand fences, third one is terracing, and fourth is windbreaks. Which if the above are which of the below are considered appropriate methods for soil conservation in India? Option A 1, 2, 3, option B second and 4, option C 1, 3, 4, and option D is 1, 2, 3, 4. And next one is physical geography, environmental geography. Consider the following statement 2021. First one is biodiversity. Hotspots are located into only in tropical regions. Second one is India has 4 biodiversity. India has 4 biodiversity hotspot either or Eastern Himalayas, Western Ghats, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which of the statement given below is are correct? Option A, first only. Option B, second only. Option C, 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 and 2. Economic geography, agriculture. Which one of the following is correct sequence in the decreasing of production in million tons of the given food grains in India 2007? First option is wheat, rice, pulses, coarse cereals. Option B, rice, wheat, pulses, coarse cereals, wheat, rice, coarse cereals, pulses. Option D, rice, wheat, coarse cereals, and pulses. Social geography with reference to Chandpa community of India. Consider the following statement. First is they live mainly in the state of Uttarakhand. Second, they rear the Pashmina gods that yield a fine wool. Option statement third, they are kept in the category of scheduled tribes. Which one of the statement given is are correct? Option A is 1, option B is second and third, option C is third only, option D is 1, 2, 3. Again from social geography, consider the following pairs: Limbo or Limbu from Sikkim, Karvi, Himachal Pradesh, Dongaria from Odisha, Honda from Tamil Nadu. Which one of the pairs are correctly matched? Option A 1 and 3rd only, option B 2nd and 4 only, option C 1, 3, 4 only, option D 1, 2, 3, 4. Comment your answers in comment sections, and here we can close our first video. Hope you are doing well and you are understanding this video as very well as much. So support guys, do like, share and subscribe our channel and share this video to your groups. Jai Hind,